Hi guys, today I'm going to try something new. So I've been watching the YouTube for the SMD soldering, and I never done those things before. I mean, I do the soldering for the regular stuff, but not this kind of stuff, this tiny chips to replace them. So I just think it's very interesting, and then I want to do some experience with that. And I have exactly same board, and both are burning out. No, not. The one is burning out. This is the iFlight Mini F7 fly FPV fly board. So I will say this is a really bad board because first I bought the full setup. I mean the flight control board with ESC, and it's burning out. And then I bought another one. It's still not good. So what I'm going to do is changing the gyro chips because this one is born, this one is okay, but this is I believe the gyro chips is bad because it's doing weird stuff in here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Like I say, that doesn't matter if I can fix it or not. I just want to experience with this soldering skill. I have everything set up. It's pretty simple. Like I said, I'm not professional on this. I just want to show you and whatever you do this on the first time. This is a kind of common baking silicone pan. I have my camera set up. I have hot air gun and iron soldering. I changed the very tiny tips on that. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. I'm going to start it. Okay, let's do this. So this is my reading glasses. So this is the SucceX reading glasses that I can find. I mean the most thinker one. Okay. And I'm gonna heat up on my air gun. And heat up the... Oh, I forgot to put the flux. Ooh, this is like a water. Huh. I don't know if that works or not. Anyway. I think that flux is too watery. I don't think that works. Because it doesn't stay there. You see, it's dry already. But anyway, I moved. See? I moved the chips. The gyro chips. Cool. Cool. So I moved the gyro chips. Oh my god, I damaged the little capacitor by the side. Huh. Let me move the capacitor as well, I think. Because that may be the capacitor is problem as well. So I'm gonna move this capacitor right here. And I'm gonna... So if I damage this capacitor, I will be replace that as well. Well, let's see. Okay, the capacitor is down. I think the 400 probably too high. I'm going to change to a 350. Okay, I just swept the board and I found some regular paste. So let's see. Let me shake this. Maybe I did not shake it very well. And then once I move this one out, we'll see. Yeah, it's still really watery. So this is the one I'm going to really work on. So I'll be very carefully with this one. Interesting. It's gone. Okay. Okay. Taking out this one. Huh. Okay, this is I think that's the bad one that I'm talking about, because it's kind of doing weird stuff in the air. It's kind of wibbling all around. And then take out this, and I'm going to clean everything under. So, so you suppose put more flax, but this see this flax, it doesn't just hold there, it's just gone. So if I put something here, that look better. That looks definitely better. Okay. Okay, just leave it here. And then I'm going to use the air gun to clear the. I'm going to set the temperature higher, because I put very tiny tips, so I'm going to put temperature higher. Okay. Take a soldering wick to clean the stuff there. I think when you clean it, you probably want to use something bigger that tips. Yeah, because this tips is too little. Let's cut something out. Cut out something. Okay. See, this is a kind of experience. Sometimes, you just want to do something with that experience. Feel that things, how that works. Maybe cut more. I know I'm gonna waste a lot of stuff, but yeah, that's how you're doing this on the first time. I already cleaned two sides. Yeah, it took me quite time to clean off the soldering there. So I'm going to use alcohol to clean up. Oh, you see, I'm burning out the connector right here. It's not something important, because this is for the analog output, analog camera output, so it's not that bad. I'm going to find some little brush to clean out more. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to put this in here. Wow. Wow, I don't. You know, the chips. You see the chips, they don't have the pin come out. So the pin is under the chips. So which means, I don't know. I mean, you have to put the sorting on here first, and then put the chips, and then thanks God, and then pray to God that works. Let's put some blocks. Wow, put the soldering on the little pen. It's really hard. You know what? I'm going to change that tips to something a little bit bigger. I think that's maybe a problem because it's too tiny. It's hard to hold that temperature on the top. Yeah, definitely want to use something bigger. But I think it's probably too big. Probably too big. Okay, let's see. If I put this on first. This is better. Wow, that's amazing. I think the right technique is, you know, put in soldering on your tips and then just slide over there. That works right away. Because you don't see the pins come out, so I mean it's really hard to make his alignment right. I think so. I don't know if this is a work or not, but yeah, just the experience. That's amazing micro work. I still cannot put it in the right alignment. Need something else to help me hold it. That works. Okay, I think right now it's about that. No. Okay. No, it still moved. Still moved. Well, at least I tried. I don't think that one works. But there's something I'm going to say. It's the first thing you move off the chips. It's pretty simple, and then you clean the board it's a little hard, but it's still durable. And then when finally you're soldering the chips back on, it's super hard. You can see, I think the problem for me is, you know, these chips right here, these chips that I want to put it back on. Because the pin, all the pin is under the chips. I cannot really see it. So when I put it on, you cannot really see it if it's soldered back or not. It's make you know, impossible. And also, you know, the tiny spot around, it just easily to break something else. Like I say, I'm missing a capacitor right here. The little capacitor, the resistor, I don't know exactly. But you can see right here, that's a little capacitor, maybe a resistor right here. And this first one that I'm break out, I mean accidentally break out when I take off the chips. And here, this one is right here, and this little one right here, and then I miss out that one. And right now, I don't think it's alignment perfectly. That's why I don't think it will works. Well, like I said, I just want to try this like a experiment. I'm not really intend to actually fix this board, but this is a pretty bad board. You can see two of them is already dead. So usually the ESC will be dead more often, but this is a flight controller, and two flight controllers dead. So that's not really common. So yeah, that's today's experiment. Hope you learn something from my mistake. If you can do some better jobs, but I'm definitely done with this. Yeah, because I know, you see, I don't have any professional tools. It's all, you know, just home style stuff. So definitely I'm done with this. This is not work for me. Well, see you next time.